right, guys. So today we're diving into a detailed review of read.ai, guys. Okay. Now, let's explore what read.ai is actually first. It's basically a tool that is designed to analyze meeting productivity and provide insights through the AI driven analytics. Okay, this tool is actually gaining popularity, guys, among teams and businesses that actually rely on virtual meetings and seek to improve their communication and decision making processes. So I'm going to give you a rundown. I'm going to give you read.ai's features, its benefits, potential downsides, and why it's being considered as a productivity enhancer. Okay. So I'm going to start with an introduction actually to read.ai. Okay. So read.ai actually it's basically an AI powered meeting analytics platform that aims to optimize online meeting efficiency by tracking engagement and providing detailed feedback on participants' levels of attention and interaction. So its goal is to equip businesses with insights that help them hold more productive and engaging meetings, right? So the platform is particularly appealing, guys, to remote and hybrid teams that need, efficient ways to gauge whether these meetings are effective or if there are adjustments that are necessary. So I'm going to go through some key features right now. So there's an array of useful features that provide insight on how meetings are run. So there is real-time engagement tracking, which is one of the hallmark features, and this allows hosts to monitor attendee focus levels as the meeting progresses, right? So, additionally, guys, it also provides a meeting summary, guys. So, this feature captures key moments and action items, makes it easier for team members to catch up on what they missed or review important points. Another standout tool, guys, I would say is the sentiment analysis. This evaluates the tone of interactions, which helps identify, if a meeting was perceived as positive, neutral, or negative, which can be actually valuable for team leaders to, assess morale. Okay, and I'm gonna go through some pros of using read.ai. Okay, one thing is, guys, it turns meetings data into actionable insights. So users can receive feedback on things like how engaged participants were, or if a certain segment of the meeting caused a drop in attention, which gives the leader a chance to refine their approach in future sessions. Now, this kind of insight can be transformative for companies that actually rely on frequent online meetings. As you know, this helps to reduce wasted time. Okay, so if a company is doing a lot of frequent online meetings, this can help reduce wasted time if they make it more efficient and see what is dropping engagements, right? Now, additionally, guys, I want to talk about Read.ai's automated summaries. So this is really time saving for those employees who might not be able to attend. So this ensures that everyone actually stays on the same page without having to watch lengthy recordings worth like 1 or 2 hours, right? Of course, guys, with everything, there are potential drawbacks. So some users have actually reported concerns with the Read.ai's accuracy in tracking engagement. There's factors like multitasking or avoidable distractions, which could lead and result in data that might misinterpret participate the engagement levels of the participants. And there's also the question of privacy. Okay, some employees may feel that they may feel uneasy about having their engagement tracked so closely, right? So read.ai actually has implemented privacy safeguards, but it's still a potential hurdle for adoption in privacy conscious companies. Additionally, I would say the integration limitations, okay, with certain platforms may require, guys, extra steps to use read.ai across all meeting environments seamlessly. And if you look at the feedback, the user feedback on read.ai, it's actually been positive generally. It's especially there from positive reviews from managers and team leads who find the sentiment and engagement tracking really helpful for them for evaluating meeting success. Some users, however, feel that while read.ai provides useful metrics, it's actually up to managers to interpret that data responsibly and consider context when making decisions based on engagement scores. And as with many AI powered tools, users' experience may vary, and it's essential for potential users to experiment with the platform to see how it fits their unique team dynamics, guys. Okay. And in conclusion, I would say read.ai actually presents a promising solution for teams aiming to make meetings more impactful and data driven. While it has some limitations, particularly regarding engagement interpretation and also mentioned privacy considerations, it actually, guys, it offers valuable insights that can actually help optimize the way teams conduct meetings. For companies that are serious about improving, virtual meeting productivity, Read.ai could be an investment that leads to better engagement, right? More concise meetings, and ultimately, guys, stronger team alignment, which is very important. A strong team is very, very important, guys. So if you like this insight, guys, this review, make sure you hit that like button, comment down your thoughts on Read.ai. If you have any problems with it, you can write down in the comments. If you like it, you can write down in the comments. As always, guys, make sure